Greetings, Internet. Today we're unboxing the Huel starter pack. It comes in this nice box that has Huel written on it. It's kind of heavy and has my house number on there. Let's cut it open with my trusty knife. So I got this starter pack online. They had a coupon for $10 off if you use somebody's referral code. So let's see what they sent me. Opening it up. Ooh, look at that. It is wrapped up in a brown bag. Let's see what's inside. Wrapping paper. A packing list, a free t-shirt. I was totally not expecting that. Another $10 gift voucher, a let's get started manual to get your Huel party started. Focus. The Huel itself, wow, it's a much bigger package than I thought it would be. I was expecting a really tiny, like a sample pack, but this is pretty hefty. Weighs a couple of pounds. Some nice nutrition information here on the back. So looks like 500 calories for a cup and 2,000 calories for 4 cups. So 4 cups, that's your daily meal. All the food you can eat in a day. The shaker bottle that was part of the starter pack looks really nice. I was expecting a little shaker ball, but I don't see that. Maybe it's here in the top. Nope, just a little strainer that fell on the floor. There's a second bag. Same stuff. Nutritionally complete food. Ooh. It's not like pizza. And finally, there are 3 measuring cups. I was seriously expecting them to just send me one because I asked for the free measuring cup, but they actually sent me 3. So I guess I have one for each bag and then an extra one for if I lose the one in the bag. Well, there you go, guys. It's the Huel starter pack. You get 2 bags of nutritional goo, a t-shirt, and a shaker bottle, but no ball in the shaker bottle. Thanks for watching.